Hello, and welcome back to another DIY. So in this video, we're going to be transforming these heels that I got from iCrush. I probably got them for like $9, not too sure, but they're really cute. So I decided, I really don't know why I got it because it's way too plain for my personality. So I gotta dazzle it up a little bit. So I got these fake flowers that you guys have seen me use several times in several videos, some crystals, some hot glue gun, and yeah, we're actually gonna get started. So first thing first, these crystals that I've used several times, I got them from Amazon. So all I'm gonna do is just place them around the edge of the shoes all the way around, and I'm just gonna use my hot glue gun to just glue it on just like that, quick and simple. This is the first step. So while gluing everything on, I was just going to use one shape all the way around, but while doing it I decided to just add a little bit of hearts, some triangles, some rectangles some flowers, like everything, every small crystals that I had, and then just fill up everything, and just like that. This is pretty easy. So I just finished gluing on this side, and that is how it's looking so far. It looks good. I was worried about the glue, that you'll be able to see the glue, but it turned out you wouldn't be able to. So that's the plus side. I was going to use my E60 glue, but that would have taken a really long time to dry. So I just decided to use a hot glue gun, which worked out pretty good. So I ended up finished doing both sides on both shoes. That's how it's looking. So the next step, I was going to add some ribbons where the buckle is so that you can buckle up the shoes, but it didn't turn out so well because it wouldn't have worked well with the red roses that I was going to put on top. So I decided to just skip this step completely. So now all we're going to do is just glue on the roses onto the shoes with my hot glue gun, just like that. And for some reason it started drying way too fast, so I was trying to hurry up to just get everything done, and it looks so cute. So this is how it looks with the roses and the crystal. It looks good. I could have just left it just like that and it still would have looked okay, but I wanted to be a little more extra. So I made a video a while back ago where I was making this carnival headpiece. So I ordered some red feathers by accident and I didn't know what I was going to do with them. So I'm so glad I decided to use them for these shoes. So all I'm going to do is this exact same thing. Just glue on the feathers onto the back of the shoes. The thing with the feather is some of them were really long and some of them were very tiny. So in the finishing product, you guys can see how it looks. They weren't all the same size. So it does kind of mess up the shoes. But I think it looks okay. So this is the final step. All I'm going to do is apply some glitters to the back of the shoes because right now they just look, I feel like if you needed something, I was going to add the roses, but then I saw the glitter and I was like, oh, maybe that would look cute. Like when the light hit the back of the shoes, then you can see it shining. So all I'm going to do now is I actually use one of my makeup brushes since I didn't have any other brush. So I just use on the brush, just apply it and then just add the glitter on top. I end up using 2 coats. So after I apply the glitter, then let it dry, then I reapply it so that you can get that extra shimmering. So yeah, this is it. I just leave it overnight for it to fully dry and stick together, and just like that, it was perfect. So this is how the shoes look on. It looks so cute. I'm kind of upset about the feathers because they came around, like it came around the shoes. I was hoping that they all would stick up, but that was not the case. But other than that, I think it's pretty unique and I like it. I'm definitely going to be wearing it out. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Hopefully I'll see you guys in my next DIY. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.